You guys see that? आज गलती से 3 बजे तक जाग लिए हैं, नींद नहीं आ रही है। इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मैं ट्राई नहीं कर रही हूँ सोने का, नींद ही नहीं आ रही है और ये रोने की वजह से हुआ है। आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट द फक सेक मुझे रोना आ रहा है। एक्चुअली मैं सो भी गई थी 10 मिनट के लिए एंड समथिंग हम वीडियोस देखते हैं कि ब्रेन में से टक होते हैं और बंदे की आँख खुल जाती है, ऐसा हुआ है। मेरी आँख खुली है एंड आई चेक समथिंग ऑन इंस्टा एंड something surely happened. I mean, it's a very like small thing, but something surely happened. But it's not like that much of a big deal कि उसमें से रोया जाए. Who the fuck was in my room actually? And there was someone in my room. Like, there was someone in my room. I didn't. Okay, बंद भी नहीं हो रहा. Okay, बंद हो गया. But yeah, something surely happened and I cannot fall asleep. मुझे बिला वजह रोना आ जा रहा है, मेरी आंखें सूजे जा रही हैं. The fuck. But yeah, it is so bad. It is so fucking bad. ये इतनी बुरी लग रही है. सुबह मेरी आंख खुलेगी और अल्लाह मियां और मुझे नींद. It happens after such a long time. मैं usually जल्दी सो जाती हूँ, मुझे नींद आ जाती है. मैं literally लास्ट मेरा होता है कि मैं 12 बजे तक जाग लूँ, बट आज 3 बज गए हैं. There was someone in my room, or there is still someone in my room. I don't know. I need to leave this room. It's fucking scary. But yeah. Now I'm being too comfortable on recording and putting this on my YouTube. I don't know why. And I don't know. I have 2, 3 ideas of now, documenting my thoughts because I think so. My brain is one of the thing that I'm really proud of. Like the first thing that I think so I'll take proud in is my brain and how they think, how it connects, how does it make sense and how it survived from all of the shit that happens to me. So I know I'm adding this in that video. Yeah, I woke up. It's already the night time again, but anyways, the night was so bad and I also had some kind of a weird dreams. The point problem is why I'm documenting the dreams is because I had very rarely had dreams, and even if when I have dreams I usually forget about them. I remember like vividly but I don't remember the details. But when I remember dreams and their details, it's usually a reason. I'm not saying it's some kind of divine intuition, things like that. Yeah, your brains make conscious and subconscious things. And anyways, so I have ideas for making a documentations on here is like on my daily life, on the journey of what I actually feel likes and what my thought process are. But my problem is, I'm sorry, I just but my problem is that I think too fast. I cannot speak that fast. That fast I think. So I need to write it. So now I need a diary or some kind of a journal with me 24/7 where I can just even write a one line to remember what I thought, because I then forget about that thought usually. Oh my god, I came here thinking it's let's forget. And also I become too okay without the filters now. So yeah. So I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna post it now. Maybe the updates are gonna be like weekly because usually I'm just stay at my home and sometimes you don't have an energy. It's gonna contain all of my, because why I'm doing that is because I forget so easily. I don't remember things, and this I think so. The one topic that I'm really want to talk about is, um, I can I cannot able to like forget and move on like kind of a shit. It's actually a shit. It's not a very sympathetic kind, but yeah, let's just talk about it too. About all the things that I've gone through. Let's just put that in somewhere where I can watch it